Welcome back, Celltronix viewers. Today install Windows with Boot Camp on Mac. Let's start the tutorial from link download Boot Camp. Now run it and choose how much partition size you're using in Windows. After that, now choose Windows ISO which you want to install. We will provide it in description as well. And how much left for Mac? We are using dual boot. Then click install. On install plus a blank USB so it will download the driver's format server to that USB which later used to install them on Windows. Once it's down, it'll auto boot into window. Now follow wizard. First agreement. Don't have. Key click here. Choose which version you want to install. Now wait till install and reboot. Don't do anything and also plug there. You don't want any crash bug, etc. After reboot, it will boot to Windows. Just follow the process. Use Express setting, then type your username. If need password, type that, then wait. After all done, Windows start with the pop. Now let's install driver, which we early copy in USB. Click next, accept agreement, and install. Wait, take you tea or coffee, let it work. Once all done, it will reboot final time, and after that, ready to use. Thanks for watching. See you in next video very soon. Allah may bless us all, my brother and sisters. Ameen. Special prayer for Palestine, Gaza.